Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be all about beauty room decor. I wanted to share with you some ideas whether you are going to be creating your own beauty space or redecorating your beauty room, or even if it's part of your bedroom and you just kind of want to give it like a whole beauty room vibe. I wanted to share what I did for my beauty room. As most of you guys know, I moved into my new house about 4 months ago, and I know that I definitely made sure in this house I was going to have my own beauty room, my own beauty space, my own woman cave, if you will. And so when I started thinking like how I was going to decorate it, what I wanted to do for it, what theme I wanted to go with, it really gave me anxiety and made me overwhelmed. I just didn't know where to begin, and I would see pictures on Instagram of girls' beauty rooms and they were beautiful, and like I would see things I loved and I just didn't even know how to do it or where to purchase things like that, and it just got really overwhelming. So I wanted to kind of help you guys out, and a lot of these things that I did are inexpensive, and I can share where I purchased them. Just like a little 411 on beauty room decor, if you will. So if you guys would like to see some beauty room decor ideas, then just keep watching. Okay, so I think I'm gonna split this into 2 videos, and down the road in the future, I can make more videos on beauty room decor. So the first beauty room decor idea is this liquid lipstick. I mean, it could be anything, any kind of holder, like a lipstick holder, but I had so many liquid lipsticks and like an abundance of them that I didn't use, and instead of like getting rid of them, I wanted to turn it into something that I could, have as a decor piece in my beauty room. And now I have seen this before. I've seen girls do it and like use it in different like cups, or not cups, sorry, like mugs or whatever, tumblers. So what I did for this is these actually come with like glass tops, if you will. I don't know exactly like what they're called, but I got this. You can probably get these at TJ Maxx. I got this at Home Goods. They probably sell these at Michael's, any kind of craft store. I think like I paid $10 for this. I didn't keep the top, but basically I put all my ColourPop liquid lipsticks in this, and it's such a good beauty room decor idea, and I was like, oh my god. So it was very inexpensive, and it just showcased all my liquid lipsticks, so I could make room for the actual lipstick and liquid lipsticks that I use, and I'm not just like cluttering my drawers with these ones. Now this would look great on your vanity, on a desktop. I actually have these. I have 2 IKEA lac shelves, one over there and one there. I actually have this one on the lac shelf over there, but you guys can't see it, but it looks so good, and it's a great way to kind of utilize space and clear out liquid lipsticks that you have like sitting everywhere. So I would definitely recommend this one. So the next idea that I'm excited to share with you guys, because I know I could not for the life of me find where this mug was sold, but the idea is so great. Now over the years, I have so many makeup brushes that I don't use. It's not even funny. So instead of just like keeping them in a drawer or whatever, I wanted to kind of display them, and that's like a perfect idea for a beauty room, to display brushes that you're not using to make it look like girly or beauty-ish, if you will. Sorry, it's kind of corny. But so I have another one up there as well. I put all the brushes that I don't use on a daily basis in this beautiful mug, and I'm sure you guys have seen this. I saw this all over on Instagram, and I just did not know where this particular one was sold. I would see so many girls have it. I'd even ask like people on Instagram, and I never got comments back like, where did you get this mug? Where did you get this mug? And then one day like I discovered where you purchased it. And I've had people ask me, where did you get this mug? So I'm gonna tell you where you get it, and it's like so inexpensive. From Target, and you can buy it online. You can probably buy it in store. This mug is from Target, so I think this is the perfect beauty room mug. It doesn't have a handle, and it's perfect to store your brushes. So if you were looking for something to fill an area in your beauty room, this would also be a great alternative, and this is from Target. So the next idea is a great way to kind of showcase lipsticks, if you will, lipsticks that you have. I don't have a ton of MAC lipsticks, but I do have a decent amount, and I did want to showcase them. Again, they are on my lac shelves, but I have this little I have this little lipstick holder, and it's what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So it holds 12 lipsticks. I believe these containers, you can get them on Amazon. You can get them, they probably even sell them at like Home Goods. You can get them on eBay, and I feel like they're under $10, but I didn't want to get like a giant one. I just wanted to get one that kind of showcased a few of my lipsticks. You can put any lipsticks in here. I just put my MAC ones in, but I have them on my lac shelves, and I think it looks really good. It's just a really nice way to showcase your lipsticks. Next beauty room decor idea did not cost me any money, which is great. It is a Sephora bag. This is such a great and basic way to decorate your beauty room and put it in a space. It's a Sephora bag. Hello, perfect for a beauty room. Now, they have bigger ones. This is the smaller Sephora bag. I have this sitting on one of my lac shelves. But again, next time you go to Sephora and you get one of these bags, save it, because down the road, and I know I saved this for like 6 months. It was like a little dusty when I pulled it out to start decorating my beauty room, but it definitely came in handy, didn't cost me any money. So next time you guys go to Sephora, save your bags, because they do serve as a really great beauty room decor idea, and they don't cost you any money. Which leads me to my last beauty room decor idea, and I'm so excited about this one. I definitely saved this for last. And I just came up with this idea. I'm sure other people probably have come up with this idea. So basically, any kind of decorative Sephora bag that I've gotten over the years, this is going back a couple years, usually around the holidays, they do decorative bags, not the basic bag that I just showed you. Any kind of bag I got like that, I saved. Because what I did, you guys, is I framed them. Like, how perfect is this for a beauty room decor piece? These frames I got at Walmart. These frames were $10. So basically, I just saved the bag. I cut the bag, and actually I have another one up on the wall. So basically I used both sides of the bag and framed them. But like, how perfect of an idea is this for a beauty room? And you just buy the frame. You save the bag and you buy the frame. So I was like so happy that I came up with this idea. I was like, oh my goodness. But the first one, and this is where I got the idea, is a couple years ago. I think it was like 2 years ago around the holidays. This was the bag that Sephora had. And I was just like, oh my God, this is such a beautiful bag. So I decided to save it and I framed it. And this frame, I think this frame might be a little bit bigger than the last one that I showed you guys, but I think it was like 10 or 12 bucks, but that's it. So I think like that would be, it's such a good idea for a beauty room, and it's such a perfect theme for a beauty room. All these ideas are really inexpensive ways to decorate your beauty room, because let's face it, most of us are on a budget. I'm definitely on a budget. You guys know that. I just moved into a new house. So I was like so happy that doing a lot of this decor did not cost me a lot of money. Now, actually, the furniture in the back, all the IKEA stuff in my Impressions vanity, that cost me a pretty penny, but I did save money on a lot of the decor pieces, so you will see more of what I did in my next video. But anyways, I hope this was helpful to you if you guys were just in a, just stumbling on what to do with your, beauty room, how to decorate it, how to make it look different and not spend a lot of money. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.